Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to turn off active status on Instagram only for one person. So here you can just open the Instagram app. So here you can just go on the right bottom of profile icon. So here you can just click to the top right corner of settings, and here you can see find message and story replies. You will have to just click it, and here you can see the show activity status. So you will have to just click it on activity status. So here you can just turn it off, that show activity status. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.